Hi guys, Ben from Fashion Magazine here, and today I'm going to show you some tips on editing video using an iPhone and a MacBook Pro. But first, hey Siri, play me some music. So these are some general tips and tricks that can apply to any kind of video. So this could be travel videos, this could be beauty videos, lookbooks, pretty much anything you want. I'm going to start by actually editing on my iPhone. So I have here an iPhone 8 Plus, and I'm going to boot up iMovie, create a new project. Now, I've actually loaded in video that I've shot on my Sony Alpha Cam, but this could be video that you've shot right here on your iPhone, and this is what's kind of nice about it. So now my movie's been created, but I just kind of have these long clips that are unedited. So I'm gonna go ahead and just maybe start a rough edit right here on my phone. Okay, great, so now I have kind of a rough edit. These are just some shots that we took on a trip to Thailand that we did a couple months ago. And I've just stitched them together here just to give you guys an example. And now I'm gonna move to my MacBook Pro. So I have here the 2018 15-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. And I'm just gonna log in here. Now through the iMovie app, I can go ahead and share my project straight to the computer using AirDrop. So now that's transferred over to my laptop. I have the file here. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up Final Cut Pro 10. Now, one of the really cool things about this is I can go ahead and continue editing my project that I started on my phone on my laptop. So I'm gonna go ahead to File, Import iMovie iOS Projects, and then open that up from my desktop. And it comes with everything, so I have all of my clips lined up the same way that I edited them on my phone. But now the great part is I can go ahead and fine-tune those edits. So this second shot, we're kind of zooming into the sign. It's nice, but it's a little long right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim that down. One of my favorite features that I have with Final Cut 10 and the Touch Bar is the ability to just tap this button and all of a sudden we've made a quick edit. So you can do this with a lot of things. You can trim the start of the clip, you can trim the end of the clip, you can split the clip. I can also toggle really easily between different tools. So if I wanted to split this clip, but I want to continue this clip at a later time in the video, I can easily split it up just by using some of the touch bar options. One of my favorite functions of the touch bar is the ability to view the timeline and scale the timeline to the exact point that you want. So this is super helpful if I need to zoom in on a specific area, and especially when you're editing large projects, sometimes doing that just using the trackpad can be a little bit cumbersome. So that's a really cool feature that I like on the touch bar. Okay, so we've got kind of this nice montage of clips. Maybe it's something that I want to upload to my Instagram account later, but first I'm going to preview it and I'm going to watch it back in full screen. Alright, so I'm happy with how that turned out, and now I want to send it back to my phone so I can upload it on my social channels. So I'm going to go File, Share, Apple Devices 1080p. One of the nice things about this too is it actually gives you a list of devices that it's compatible with. So if you're worried that you're sending something from a newer MacBook that might not be compatible with your phone just in terms of video format, you can actually go in and double check which ones it works with. Alright, so now that that's finished, I'm just going to go ahead and AirDrop this file right back to my phone. And now I have the file on my phone, and it's ready to be uploaded to my Instagram. So I hope that shows you a few features that you can use when you're editing using your iPhone, your MacBook Pro, and Final Cut 10. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you'd like to watch our Thailand video, you can follow the links. That's all for now, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more videos like this.